Hello guys, my name is Ankit. This is my first video of this car that I'm making today, and there's a specific reason that I'm making this video. Maybe I'm going to make some more videos out of it, but then for now we'll stick to this video. So the thing is, I bought this car almost like 2 months back. I did 5,000 kilometers, did first servicing, and the feedback is amazing. This car is lovely. This car slides like anything, right? It's a very comfortable car. The problem with this car that I've seen is on the right hand side of this pillar, right? What is happening is, if you see this roof, the interior roof, or what, I don't know what do you call it, but then it is actually coming out, and with time what will happen is the cloth on the top of it will also come out. This is not only in this specific car, my car. I've seen this in a display car, and that too trail version, which has been launched in 2025 around August or September, right? I've seen this from my own eyes. So I'm going to put two photos, one of my own car, another one is of the trail version, right? In case if anyone of you have faced such an issue, please let me know in the comments, how did you fix it, or how are you planning to fix it. In case if you're watching this video a little late, I'm going to be posting another video once that issue is completely permanently fixed. I've visited service centers and I've spoken to service manager. What he says is, this issue that have been reported by multiple customers into this specific Meridian version, and not from like 2023 models or 2024 model. It is there in 2025 model. Not all the customers are reporting it. However, some of the cars have seen this issue, right? So once I'm the one who is facing this issue, it is not a big issue, but then with time it will become a big issue. It will look so awkward. So let me know in comments if you have faced this issue, and then you have been able to fix this. Okay, thank you very much, and stay connected, stay safe.